Inside a large-scale chocolate factory, the creation of a Snickers bar is not a simple act of mixing ingredients, but a carefully engineered process where nougat, caramel, and peanuts are balanced with extraordinary precision. Everything begins with understanding that these three layers must work together as a single structure. If one element is even slightly off, too soft, too hard, too sweet, or too dry, the entire eating experience changes. That is why the process is designed around control, consistency, and repeatability at every stage. The foundation of the bar is nougat, and despite its light and fluffy texture, it is one of the most technically demanding components to produce. Industrial nougat is not mixed casually, it is engineered. Sugar and glucose syrup are first heated to exact temperatures to create a stable syrup. This heating stage is crucial, because temperature determines how the sugars will crystallize later. If the syrup is undercooked, the nougat may become sticky or collapse over time. If it is overcooked, it can harden and lose its softness. Sensors continuously monitor temperature and viscosity, feeding real-time data into automated control systems. Once the syrup reaches the precise stage, it is transferred into large high-speed mixers where aerating agents are introduced. These agents trap microscopic air bubbles within the mixture, transforming it from a dense syrup into a light, elastic mass. The amount of air incorporated is not random. Machines calculate the exact volume needed to give the nougat its signature bite, soft enough to compress when bitten, yet firm enough to hold layers above it without sagging. Milk powder and cocoa powder are added during this phase, contributing creaminess and subtle chocolate flavor, while also affecting structure. Every second of mixing time matters. Too much mixing can collapse the air structure. Too little can result in uneven texture. While the nougat is being prepared, caramel production begins on a parallel line. Caramel might appear simple, just sugar and cream, but at industrial scale it becomes a science of timing and heat management. Sugar is heated until it melts and begins to caramelize, developing its characteristic golden color and deep flavor. This stage requires extreme precision because caramel can shift from perfectly cooked to burnt in moments. Automated stirring systems ensure even heat distribution, preventing hot spots that could ruin the batch. Cream, butter, and sometimes milk solids are then added, rapidly cooling the caramel and stabilizing it. This sudden change in temperature must be carefully managed. If the caramel cools too quickly, it becomes stiff and unspreadable. If it remains too hot, it will flow uncontrollably when layered, soaking into the nougat instead of forming a distinct layer. Viscosity sensors measure thickness constantly, adjusting heat and flow rates to maintain the ideal consistency. The goal is a caramel that stretches slightly when bitten, releases slowly, and carries peanuts without letting them sink. Peanuts, the final core component, bring both texture and complexity to the bar. Their role goes far beyond taste. Peanuts add crunch, break up sweetness, and reinforce the structure of the caramel layer. Before they ever reach the assembly line, peanuts are cleaned and sorted to remove broken pieces and debris. They are then roasted in large industrial ovens where temperature and rotation speed are carefully controlled. Roasting is not just about flavor, it affects moisture content. Properly roasted peanuts have low internal moisture, which helps them remain crisp even after being embedded in caramel and coated in chocolate. Once roasted, peanuts are rapidly cooled to stop the cooking process. This cooling locks in flavor and prevents residual heat from softening the caramel later. The peanuts are then transferred to storage hoppers above the production line, ready for precise distribution. Computer-controlled dispensers release peanuts at a carefully calculated rate, ensuring that every bar contains the same quantity and distribution. This uniformity is critical because uneven peanut placement can cause weak points in the bar, leading to breakage during cutting or packaging. The true mastery of Snickers production is revealed during the layering stage, where nougat, caramel, and peanuts come together in one continuous motion. The nougat is first extruded onto a wide conveyor belt, forming a thick, even sheet. Precision rollers smooth the surface, eliminating air pockets or uneven thickness. The speed of the conveyor is synchronized with the output of the nougat mixers, ensuring a constant flow without stretching or compression. Next, warm caramel is poured over the nougat in a controlled curtain. The flow rate is calibrated to create a layer that is thick enough to deliver flavor and chew, yet thin enough to avoid overpowering the nougat beneath. Gravity alone is not trusted. Adjustable spreaders guide the caramel into a uniform layer across the entire width of the slab. Immediately after, peanuts fall from above in a gentle cascade, embedding themselves into the caramel before it begins to set. Rollers then pass over the layered slab, pressing the peanuts slightly into the caramel. This step is subtle but essential. Too much pressure could crush peanuts or force caramel into the nugget layer. Too little pressure could leave peanuts loose, causing them to fall off during cutting or enrobing. Machines apply just enough force to anchor the peanuts securely while preserving their crunch. At this point, the slab is a delicate balance of softness and stability. It must be firm enough to move without deforming, yet soft enough to be cut cleanly. To achieve this, the slab enters a cooling tunnel where temperature is gradually lowered. This controlled cooling allows the nougat to set slightly and the caramel to firm up without becoming brittle. Airflow, humidity, and temperature are all regulated to prevent condensation or surface drying, which could affect adhesion between layers. Once the slab reaches the ideal consistency, it moves to the cutting stage. High-speed blades slice the slab into long strips and then into individual bar-sized pieces. The cutting equipment is designed to maintain clean edges without dragging or tearing the layers apart. Blade speed, sharpness, and angle are constantly monitored and adjusted. Even the timing between cuts is optimized to match the firmness of the slab at that exact moment. Throughout this entire process, data is constantly collected. Temperature readings, flow rates, mixing speeds, and pressure levels are logged and analyzed in real time. If a parameter drifts outside its acceptable range, automated systems correct it instantly, or the line slows down until balance is restored. This continuous feedback loop ensures that every Snickers bar emerging from the line matches the intended design. What makes this process remarkable is not just the scale, but the consistency. Thousands of kilograms of nougat, caramel, and peanuts move through the factory every hour. Yet each bar feels personal and familiar when unwrapped. That consistency is the result of decades of refinement. Where food science meets mechanical engineering, each layer is designed not only for flavor, but for how it behaves during production, storage, transport, and finally, consumption. The balance between nougat, caramel, and peanuts is what defines the Snickers experience. The soft base cushions the bite, the caramel stretches and melts, and the peanuts provide resistance and crunch. Achieving this balance millions of times a day requires absolute precision. It is a process where small adjustments make huge differences, and where technology quietly ensures that every bar delivers the same satisfying result. In the end, what seems like a simple candy bar is actually a carefully constructed system in text and flavors, built layer by layer with scientific accuracy. The nougat must support, the caramel must bind, and the peanuts must reinforce. When all three are perfectly balanced, the result is a bar that feels effortless to enjoy, but behind it lies one of the most finely tuned manufacturing processes in the modern food industry. In a modern Snickers factory, speed alone is not the goal. The true challenge is producing millions of chocolate bars every single day, while making sure each one tastes, looks, and feels exactly the same as the last. This is where high-speed automation and advanced quality control systems become the invisible backbone of the entire operation. Every movement, every second, and every gram is guided by machines designed to eliminate variation while maintaining efficiency on an enormous scale. Once the layered candy bars have been formed and cut, automation takes complete control of the process. Conveyor belts move continuously, synchronized with every machine on the line. These belts are not simple transport systems. They are intelligent components that regulate spacing, orientation, and timing. Each bar is positioned with precise gaps between them, ensuring that downstream machines, especially chocolate enrobbers and wrapping units, can operate at full speed without collisions or misalignment. Even a small spacing error could cause jams that halt production. So sensors constantly monitor belt speed and bar position. Chocolate enrobing is one of the most visually impressive stages, but behind the flowing chocolate lies an intense level of automation. Large tempering units keep chocolate at exact temperatures so it remains glossy and stable after cooling. If chocolate is too warm, it becomes dull and soft. If too cool, it thickens and coats unevenly. Automated tempering systems adjust temperature and agitation continuously, responding instantly to environmental changes inside the factory. As bars pass through the enrobing curtain, excess chocolate is removed using controlled vibrations and air knives. These systems are tuned to remove just the right amount, enough to prevent pooling, but not so much that the bar loses its signature thickness. Everything happens in fractions of a second, repeated thousands of times per minute. Human hands are nowhere near the product at this stage, reducing contamination risk and improving consistency. Immediately after coating, bars enter cooling tunnels that stretch dozens of meters long. These tunnels are divided into zones, each with its own temperature and airflow profile. The chocolate must cool gradually to form stable crystals that give Snickers its characteristic snap and shine. Rapid cooling could cause cracks, while uneven cooling could lead to fat bloom, a wettish discoloration that affects appearance. Automated climate systems control these tunnels with extreme accuracy, adjusting conditions based on real-time feedback from sensors placed throughout the line. As production speeds increase, quality control becomes even more critical. This is where advanced inspection systems come into play. High-speed cameras positioned above the conveyor belts scan every single bar as it moves past. These cameras are capable of detecting defects invisible to the human eye. They measure length, width, thickness, and coating uniformity in milliseconds. If a bar is misshapen, undercoated, or cracked, it is instantly identified. Rejected bars are removed from the line automatically using air jets or mechanical diverters. This happens so fast that the rest of the line continues without interruption. Nothing relies on human reaction time. The system is designed to maintain flow while enforcing strict quality standards. Even small cosmetic imperfections are filtered out, ensuring only perfect bars reach consumers. Beyond visual inspection, safety scanning is equally important. Metal detectors and weighing machines are integrated into the production line to detect foreign objects. These systems scan the internal structure of each bar without damaging it. If anything abnormal is detected, the affected bar is removed immediately, and alerts are sent to operators. Production data is logged so that engineers can trace issues back to their source, whether it's a worn machine part or a raw material anomaly. Automation also governs the wrapping and packaging stages, where speed reaches its peak. Wrapping machines operate at astonishing rates, folding and sealing hundreds of bars per minute. The wrappers must be applied with exact tension to prevent tearing or loose seals. Automated rollers and sealing jaws adjust pressure and timing dynamically to match line speed. Inkjet printers stamp batch codes and expiration dates onto each wrapper with pinpoint accuracy, enabling full traceability. Once wrapped, bars are grouped into multipacks or cartons by robotic systems. Vision-guided robots identify product orientation and pick bars with mechanical arms that move faster and more consistently than any human could. These robots never tire, never lose focus, and never vary their grip. They stack products neatly, preparing them for boxing and palletizing. Palletizing itself is another automated process. Large robotic arms lift heavy cartons and stack them in precise patterns that maximize space and stability. Each pallet is wrapped and labeled automatically before being transferred to warehouses. From there, logistics systems track shipments globally, ensuring products reach retailers efficiently. What truly sets modern Snickers factories apart is the integration of data across the entire operation. Every machine is connected to a central control system that collects and analyzes performance metrics in real time. Temperature fluctuations, motor speeds, vibration levels, and output rates are constantly monitored. If a machine begins to drift from optimal performance, predictive maintenance systems can flag it before a breakdown occurs. This minimizes downtime and prevents defects before they happen. Human workers are still essential, but their role has evolved. Instead of performing repetitive tasks, operators oversee systems, analyze data, and fine-tune processes. Quality technicians conduct random taste tests and texture evaluations, comparing results against strict benchmarks. Engineers review production trends, looking for opportunities to improve efficiency without compromising quality. This balance between automation and human oversight allows Snickers factories to achieve something remarkable: mass production without mass variation. Every bar must survive not only manufacturing, but also transportation, storage, and shelf life while maintaining its intended texture and flavor. Automation ensures that each stage is repeatable, while quality control ensures that nothing slips through unnoticed. In the end, high-speed automation and quality control are not just about making candy faster. They are about protecting trust. Consumers expect a Snickers bar to deliver the same experience every time they open the wrapper. That reliability is earned through layers of technology working silently in the background, correcting errors before they are noticed and enforcing standards that never relax. What looks like a simple chocolate bar is actually the final output of thousands of automated decisions made every minute. Each conveyor movement, camera scan, temperature adjustment, and robotic motion contributes to a system designed for absolute consistency. It is this combination of speed, intelligence, and control that allows Snickers to be produced on a global scale, while still feeling familiar. dependable, and satisfying, no matter where in the world it is enjoyed.